Can you wear all three bracelets together? I noticed Master Lama Rasaji only wearing two of them. Does not wear the tiger bracelet.
You can experiment with them. In my energy field, I have felt that these two go really together. They're really yin and yang, and this helps accelerate the sandalwood helps accelerate the governing meridian according to acupuncture physicians. The lava rock helps to govern the conceptual meridian. So together, because they're in a circle, they're forming the full circle of energy. I wear the mala beads from time to time. I either wear this with the green onyx or I wear it with the black lava rocks. They do together. Now we're getting some
this one here.
Yeah,
I usually, as soon as I'm off this show, this will be on, but I got to be the patriot. But definitely when you see me, you think I got some of that llama in me. I can tell you that.
That's right. So we're having new ones that are actually going to be delivered tomorrow from India, and they will actually have blue stones in them. We are also we're really excited about this, especially for Christmas. We're having moonstone, which is absolutely when the sun or light hits moonstone, it creates a prism like a quartz crystal. And you know how the moon changes its reflection of the sun during the 13 moon cycles of the year. So does the moonstone itself. And we're also going to have moonstone bracelets. So we're really excited about the moonstone. The moonstone itself really has a calming, also it has an expansion in consciousness. I'll share with you what my yoga master said about focusing on a full moon, which the moonstone has this energy in it, by the way. Focus on a full moon and over 1,000 psychoses will disappear by focusing on a full moon. It's that powerful. It brings unbelievable peace. And remember, practicing Tai Chi Gong means the same thing as the mantra Om Shanti or Om Salam, and that is give power to peace.